Nobody tells you this growing up. They say, work harder, be disciplined, stay motivated. But nobody tells you that your brain is being trained every single day without your permission. And that training is silently ruining your focus. You wake up in the morning. Before your feet touch the floor, before your mind is even fully awake, you reach for your phone. Not because you need it, but because your brain expects it. Notifications, messages, short videos, random opinions from people you'll never meet. Your day hasn't even started, and your mind is already tired. You wonder why you can't focus anymore, why reading feels hard, why simple tasks feel heavy, why you start things but never finish them. You think something is wrong with you. But here's the truth. You're not broken. You're overstimulated. Your brain was never designed to consume endless information without pause. Thousands of years ago, the human mind focused on one thing at a time. Now, it jumps every 3 seconds. Swipe, scroll, click, skip. And every time you do, your brain learns one lesson. Effort is optional. That's why boredom feels painful now. That's why silence feels uncomfortable. Because your brain forgot how to sit still. Look around. People aren't tired because they work too hard. They're tired because they never rest mentally. Their bodies sit still, but their minds never stop running. Here's something no app will ever admit. The more stimulation you consume, the weaker your attention becomes. Not immediately, slowly, quietly, until one day you can't focus for more than 5 minutes without feeling restless. And then you blame yourself. You call yourself lazy, undisciplined, unmotivated. But motivation was never the problem. Overstimulation was. Think about this. Why does doing nothing feel so hard? Why does waiting in line feel unbearable without pulling out your phone? Why does quiet feel awkward? Because your brain is addicted to noise. Addiction doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks normal. Everyone scrolling. Everyone distracted. Everyone busy but unproductive. And because it's normal, no one questions it. But here's the part that matters. Your brain can recover. Not by forcing motivation, not by watching more self-help videos, but by removing what's draining it. You don't need to quit everything overnight. You don't need extreme rules. You need space. Mental space. The first time you sit without your phone, your mind will resist. You'll feel restless, bored, uncomfortable. That discomfort is not a sign to stop. It's a sign it's working. Just like muscles burn when they grow, your attention burns when it heals. Your brain is relearning how to be present. Try this. 1 hour. No phone, no music, no videos, just you. Your thoughts will race at first. Let them. Don't fight boredom. Sit with it. Because boredom is the doorway to clarity. Creativity doesn't come from noise. It comes from quiet moments where your mind finally breathes. This is why the most focused people protect their silence. Not because they're better, but because they understand something others don't. Attention is currency. And most people are spending it on things that don't matter. The world will always demand your attention. Ads, apps, content. But peace doesn't come from consuming more. It comes from choosing less. You don't need to escape your life. You need to return to it, fully present, fully aware. When stimulation decreases, clarity increases. When noise fades, direction appears. The life you want isn't hidden in another video. It's waiting on the other side of silence. So slow down. Put the phone down. Let your mind be bored again. Because focus is not found. It's rebuilt. Quietly. I'm not saying this as someone who has it all figured out. I'm saying this as someone who's struggled with distraction, overthinking, and feeling mentally exhausted every day. I'm still learning, still improving, still rebuilding my focus. This channel isn't about perfection. It's about progress. If you're trying to take control of your mind, your time, and your attention, you're not alone. Join me on this journey. No noise, no fake motivation, just real growth. We'll figure it out together.